Welcome to Byte Mentor, your go-to destination for all things tech. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of ChatGPT and uncovering the secret to training it to write in your unique style. If you have ever wanted to unleash the full potential of ChatGPT and make it write just like you, then this video is a must-watch. The problem with ChatGPT is that it often writes like a robot, but fear not. We have a simple and effective solution that will help you train ChatGPT to write in your style with just one prompt. Step 1. Enter the first prompt. You can find this prompt in video's description. This initial prompt will prepare ChatGPT to receive your sample text and learn from your writing style. And here is a pro tip. This method works even better with GPT-4 as compared to GPT 3.5. Plus, you can access GPT-4 for free by using Bing in creative mode. Step 2. Paste your text. Once ChatGPT is ready, it will indicate by saying start. Simply copy and paste your first text, allowing ChatGPT to absorb your unique writing style. Step 3. Continue with your next text. ChatGPT will prompt you by saying next. Just paste your next text, followed by subsequent ones. Keep providing examples of your writing style to refine ChatGPT's understanding. Step 4. Indicate when you are done. Once you have given ChatGPT all your examples, write done. This will signal to ChatGPT that it's time to analyze your writing style and adapt accordingly. And there you have it. ChatGPT is now trained to write like you. You can now ask ChatGPT to generate new texts on any topic using your own unique style. It's an incredible way to personalize your AI assistant. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to train ChatGPT to write in your style with just one prompt. If you are eager to unleash your creativity and make ChatGPT truly reflect your writing style, don't forget to subscribe to Byte Mentor and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tutorials, and insights. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy training.